What's up everybody, welcome to our rain. This is Andy and the
Twins.
Estamos caminando aquí por el zoológico, por afuera del zoológico. Y vamos a grabar un poquito aquí. Nos cerraron el zoológico y no podemos vivir la adventure. Vamos a caminar por aquí a ver qué encontramos. There's the horsey up there. If you can see the horsey. I want to go to the beehive though, so we'll see you at the beehive. Look.
He's looking at the view. Right here.
Oh, I see the duck. Wait, don't move. I see the duck. I see the duck. I see the duck.
Let's go see the duck. But let's see if she can record.
It stopped. It stopped. Try. We'll go into cleaning water.
We'll go soon to clean.
Oh. This bird is following us. I think it likes us.
We got chased by raccoons, now birds.
Last time we were chased by raccoons, now we're getting chased by birds, right?
Yeah.
Oh look, that looks super dope. You see it?
Oh yeah.
The sun back there. Ahora vamos a caminar al bridge. So we'll see if we can find the bridge and walk by there. So nos vemos en la próxima.
That's a nice view. That's a nice view.
No vlogueamos nada. We didn't really vlog that much. We were just taking shots. Estamos grabando shots. Shots.
¿Cómo era la canción?
Shots del sky, del cielo, de la naturaleza.
Enjoying the world.
Y nomás disfrutando de una caminada. Yo creo de mosquitos. Look at the sky. It looks so awesome right here. Dun, 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 dun. Shots. Ahora no hacemos nada exciting.
Mírame.
Ahora nomás caminamos.
Ahora nomás nos siguieron los pájaros. Y los moscos.
Ahora nomás moscos y pájaros siguiéndonos, pero venimos a disfrutar aquí del día, de la ciudad. Se vea bonito y el de la bicicleta nos va a atropellar. Y ahí va, en chinga. Encontramos a un Bonnie. Ya corrió el Bonnie, ya.
Ya corrió el Bonnie, ya.
No, ya pues. Se ve chido aquí, mira. Hay gente comiendo. La ciudad de acá. De aquí se ve chido, mira. Es que se ve raro. Aquí se ve chido, mira.
Los recién chingados.
Pues le vamos a caminar para la casa. Tomamos puros shots de diferentes lugares. So yeah, we didn't find anything interesting. So we'll see you in the next vlog. Oh, look at the city before we leave. La ciudad se ve bonita. But we'll see you in the next one. So vamos a caminar a ver las clouds que Claudia encontró. Clouds bonitas, dice.
Es que se llama Claudia.
Está medio oscuro, pero se ve bien todo. Mira. No encontramos nada interesante que bloguear.
Why is my name Claudia?
Nomás los pájaros que nos siguieron.
Porque volaban bien cerquitas. Me gusta ese nombre.
¿Por qué no te gusta?
No.
Mi papá va a ver este vlog, te va a decir, ¿qué te pasa, niña? Ven acá. ¿Mira un conejo?
Ven acá.
Ya corrió. No
Porque
te
siempre
vayas.
corren.
No te vayas, conejo, no te vayas. No te vayas, conejo, no te vayas. We're gonna go play golf.
We have people here. And here's the sky. Christina, what are these men doing?
Es que van a jugar. I don't know if they know how to play, but I think.
And we are currently the only girls with them, which is kind of weird. Look at the clouds. And the sky looks so pretty. Aquí vamos en el golf. Vamos a grabar a estos señores jugar. He just saw me, which is kind of weird, but it's okay. I'm gonna record them and hopefully they win. I don't know if they know how to play anyway, but it's alright. We're gonna see. Here's Andy. He saw me vlogging. He was like, this guy in pink. I don't know his name.
Yeah.
He was like, get up over there.
Es calentamiento, es calentamiento. Pero le falló.
No, they went that way. You're learning.
I'm learning.
This is
¿Vas a la tuya?
process.
Ahí está, esta salió bien.
There you go.
Like, this is not made for us.
My
That's why we're
dad-
not playing.
My dad already took his out, and he was trying to get out.
This is not made for us, so that's why
spot,
we're not
so-
playing.
Yeah, we're not playing because this isn't made for us. Anyway, here's my father, and he never comes out in video, so say hi to the vlog.
Hi. ¿Dónde está? Oye, la puse allá.
And allá está el cuñado,
Esta es la tuya, ¿no?
Esa es la mía.
the brother-in-law. Kecha,
Ahí.
di hola al vlog.
We're trying to figure out how to play golf. Estamos tratando de jugar golf y casi le pegaban a un viejito.
Oh, I said it. He's about to hit. I don't know where it went.
How can they keep an eye on their ball? I can't even.
I don't even know either. And my dad is gonna shoot it. They're in here, as you can see.
That stop.
Oh, I didn't catch that.
Sí, ya está así.
Ya.